Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I can't believe I'm saying this, but today we are celebrating 2K subscribers, you guys. I can't believe we made it here. And not only is it 2K, but we're actually at like 2.5. So yeah, I'm just so excited. We did it. I just want to thank everybody who took the time to watch. I want to thank everybody who took the time to like, comment, subscribe, share. We have just grown such a beautiful family here. I'm just so thankful and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that we reached it. I read every comment, I like and try to respond to every single comment, and I see you guys. Like Kimbra, you've been here from the beginning, girl. We're like friends at this point. We follow each other on IG, and I just love that I'm able to meet you guys, and I just appreciate all the support. I'm just happy that we reached a milestone. I know for a while we were saying 2K challenge, and we're here. So I'm so excited about it. So when I first started this channel, I really wanted a creative outlet. I had just put a pause on acting. I don't want to say I gave it up, but I was an actor and I stopped doing that, and I also was going through a really dark time in my life, and so I needed some form of creativity. And during that time, the only thing that gave me any kind of joy was YouTube. Like, I mean, my family gave me joy, of course. But the only thing that like really got me through that time, seriously, was YouTube. Like, I would watch couple channels, like prank channels and interior design channels. And I had been wanting to start an interior design channel myself for like even 10 years prior to that. And I didn't do it because I thought it would negatively impact my acting pursuits. But come 2020, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. I really love home decor. I love making over spaces. I love furniture and just making a space feel home. And even better, I like doing it on a budget. So I like being able to create a space on a budget. And so I was like, you know, I need to just start creating. So I started creating to fill that void, and things just kind of took off from there. My actual first video ever that I did was actually outside of YouTube. I did a $100 yoga studio makeover for my friend Malak, and she literally was like, I've got $100 and this is all I have, and I want to be able to have people in my space to teach them yoga. Can you help? And I was like, yeah, I can. So I scoured Facebook Marketplace. I looked everywhere to get secondhand stuff. I called yoga studios to see if they had old yoga mats that they wanted to give away. And we were able to transform her entire studio apartment for $100, you guys. And it just turned out so well. After that, I had a ton of people DMing me, asking me, hey, can you do my apartment? Hey, can you make over my space? Oh my God, this looks so good. So I was like, I feel like people are liking this stuff that I'm putting out, so maybe I really should try this at YouTube. So my first YouTube video that I ever put out was for my friend. I redid her office space, and I just loved her reaction at the end. Also, if you guys go back and watch my very first YouTube video ever, it's so cringe. Like, when I'm doing my voiceover, I'm so like polished and put together and like not myself. And so I like the evolution of me and how I can finally be myself. Even now, I'm still learning how to be myself. I'm not like 100% myself on camera, so, but I'm getting there. But anyway, that's where I started, and we've had lots and lots of just interesting things. You know, we've done our lake house renovation. I almost literally had a Final Destination moment once where I like got my hair stuck in a drill. You guys literally almost watched me die on camera. Like, you guys, I was drilling and my hair got caught in the drill. Oh my God. And I'm very close to like a Final Destination moment. Oh my God, I almost died. No. I almost died. I was so scared. So I'm trying to hold on to the top of the drill, but I'm gonna have to call my mom because when I try to reverse it, it just goes closer up to my neck. So yeah, put your hair in a ponytail when you're using a drill. You know, we've done so much.
Can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. Dim guy. Don't got nothing on you. Don't got nothing on you. My heart is ready for something I have been had in a long time. True love crime. I hope you know that it may hurt for a while. Let's slow down, slow it down. I can see behind that broken smile. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Oh, you're nice, like cocoa, you're nice.
I will say in the beginning, even though I appreciate where I'm at now, the growth was slow in the beginning. I did do a prank video that I believe messed up the algorithm a bit, and so my subscriber count was going up, but going up at a much slower pace than I wanted. And so to get to this point just really means so much to me. And I'm just really appreciative of all of you guys for taking the time to literally out of your day sit and watch and support my channel. It really means a lot to me. So let's get to why we're here. I have been promising you guys, once we get to 2,000 subscribers, I would do a free virtual room makeover to 3 subscribers. And so this is the submission video for that free virtual giveaway. And if you're just watching this for the first time, or you've been watching but maybe you've missed some of those videos, let me just explain to you. So for a virtual makeover, it's literally me doing everything that I would do for a makeover, but virtually. So what that means is you guys, my voice is going away because I've literally been screaming to the top of my lungs golden, like on repeat in my car. So my voice is going away, so I apologize if my voice is cracking. If you are new, or maybe you haven't heard of what my virtual makeovers entail, it's like me doing a full makeover for you guys, but just virtually. So you'll give me your design taste. You'll send me some Pinterest photos of what you like. You'll send me pictures of your space, and then I will then take that information along with your budget, your personalized budget, and I will make over the room for you. So I'll pick out the color scheme. I'll make a mood board for you. I'll actually go shopping for you. I'll tell you all the items you need with links to the item, all within your budget. And then I'll also give you step-by-step instructions on where to place everything. So it's as if I'm there. You're just going to be doing it. It's like you're building your own IKEA furniture. I'm the instruction manual and you'll build it yourself. Are you ready to see your room?
I am ready to see my room. I'm excited to see your room.
Okay, open your eyes.
Oh my God, yes, I love it.
So
how did you, oh my God, literally everything I said, you applied.
It's great. You'll get a full room makeover for free, and the only thing is you just have to be comfortable being on camera, because I am going to record our Zoom sessions. We will have Zoom sessions where we chat, and you guys will have to be okay being on camera, because I'll do a couple different episodes showing you guys the before and after. So you'll have to be comfortable with your space being on the internet, and you'll have to be comfortable being on Zoom. So yeah, I'm excited. There's a form that's going to be in the description box. Make sure you put your full name, your email, contact number. You have to be subscribed, so just make sure you're subscribed before submitting. And then also, lastly, you just have to check that you're okay being on camera. So yeah, it's gonna be great, you guys. It's a Google form. I'm gonna take that form and then randomly select a name from it using maybe ChatGPT or GPT. So we'll see. But yeah, and then I will announce the winners either on my Instagram or I think I'll announce the winner on here with a post. So I'll post on here who the winners are, and then and I'll also send you personally an email to let you know that you were selected. Don't worry if you don't get selected for this, that's totally okay. I actually will be offering this service moving forward. So if you want it done for your space, you could actually hire me to do that for you. There are a lot of creators who charge like almost $2,000 for what I'm doing. I'm charging a fraction of that. Yeah, I'm making it accessible to everyone. I think it's important for everyone to love their space. Like, there's just so much going on in the world, seriously. And who wants to go home and not be happy? You know, you want to go home and really love the space that you're in and really feel calm and comfortable. It should be your sanctuary. I'm literally going to get t-shirts that say your home is your sanctuary, because I literally preach that it should be your special place. So I want to make sure that everyone has access to get a space that they love. And I'm not going to charge you $2,000, $1,500 to do something like that. So yeah, I want everybody to be able to have a space that they love. So I will be offering that service, you know, to the public for anyone who wants it. So that is coming. It's something to look for. Speaking of something to look for, now that we're at 2.5 subscribers, I want us to make a new goal and get to 5K subscribers by January. That's like what, almost September, October, November, December, January. I mean, we're in August, so we got the rest of August. So that's like 5.5 months away. We can do it, you guys. I think that we can do it. Let's maybe even 10. I don't know. 10's quite a jump. This time next year, I definitely hope we're at 10K, but let's just go for 5K right now and see if we can do it. And I'm just looking forward to continuing doing makeovers with you guys. Again, I really appreciate all of you guys who take the time to watch. I'm just so excited that we got to this point, and I am really excited to continue making content with you guys. So coming up next week is my dining room makeover, and I also have a bedroom makeover coming, so make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss it. And if there's any content that you guys want to see from me, let me know. I am very open. I love hearing from you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathe in your face, got me feeling